Tell you that this is one of the best investments I ever made in a portable AC. It's only 8,000 BTU, it's a Hisense, and it's super quiet. Listen to it. And it's self-evaporating, which means I do not have to open these up and drain them very often. I'm going to drain it today when I break it down, but that's one of the major advantages of this thing, is that it's super quiet and it drains itself, and it's really good. It really cools. I mean, it's got frosty air coming out of there right now. All right, to use it, to turn it on, you hit this. If I press this, it'll turn it off. I can change the mode by going like that. There's dry. Now it's basically a dehumidifier. There's just the fan, and back to cool. If I want to change the temperature, I can go up or down here. If I want to change the fan speed, I can go high, medium, or low. I'm going to put it to medium. And over here I can do timer, quiet, and sleep. But I'm just going to leave it like it is because I think it's working pretty good. And super cold. I mean, this is just unbelievably cold. This thing really works well. It's dual hose. So you've got two hoses. This is the heat side. You can feel it. It's warm. And this is the cool air. So it's sucking in here, blowing out there. And it works super efficiently. And yeah, so I highly recommend it. Highly recommend this thing. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.